Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a girl with a puppy. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw a girl. I draw the shape of her head with her 2 ears. Then I draw her eyes, nose, and smiling mouth. I continue with her hair. She wears it in 2 pigtails. Her earrings. Now I draw her body, her arms. In this hand, she is holding a small ball. Then I draw her legs like this. She is kneeling on the floor. Cool! Now let's draw a cute puppy. I draw her head, her ears, nose, and mouth with her tongue out. Then I draw her very long ears. She looks so excited. I bet she wants to go get the ball. Then I draw her body with her 4 legs. And tail. Finally, I draw the grassy ground like this. Fantastic! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, let's color the girl. I use cream for her skin. And light red for her mouth. I color her hair brown. Yellow for her earrings. For her outfit, I use light purple and blue. Finally, let's color her shoes pink. She colored the ball light green and yellow. Let's color the little dog. For her mouth, I use 2 different shades of red. Let's color her fur with this marker. For the rest of her furry skin, I use this shade. Yellow, light purple. Finally, I colored the grass green. And add a little light blue in the background. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.